In primetime news this evening, don't panic. Health Minister seeks to allay COVID fears even after British visitor tests positive for Omicron strain. Tough penalties coming. Local government minister to address COVID protocol breaches as entertainment ban continues. And minister to meet with municipal corporations to address building plans controversy.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Thanks for joining us. Also this evening, the Business Day, Primetime Sports, Sports Commentary, E-Prime, and your weather reports and forecast. But before the break, here's our feedback question. This evening we're asking, what more can be done to stop people from hosting entertainment events over the holiday period? You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or tweet @televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.